What's up, y'all? This is gonna probably be one of those state-driven media quick install tips. Something I've been wanting to do to my car. I've actually did it to the homie Jay's G35, his wide body. I never recorded it because I just wanted to kind of help him out, get it on his car so it could be good. But I always save mine for a later video so when I can be able to put it on myself. So I got my brother here, which is dope as well. We just finished. If you guys are seeing this, this is probably after the video where I did the P0455 code and I put the evaporator emissions module. So this is the same day. So hands still dirty from that. But I figured I'd start the camera right quick so we can kind of get this in there. So we can kind of just show you guys how to put a third brake light, or at least that's what they call it, third brake light, under the G35. So that's it right there. We just lining it up right now, trying to get it aligned with the actual bumper so it can be perfectly flush with the rear of the car. As you guys see, my little fin diffusers, this one here was right here, right? So this one was right here, was in the middle, right? So the only way to really take it off and make it look decent is to take this fin off that was directly in the center and put the actual third brake light right there. It still looks dope because you still have the two other fins here plus my other fabricated made up fins that I put. So we're just gonna connect them and go from there. So I'll show you guys when I come back. All right, guys. So as you can see, I just made a quick little hole right here. As, you can kind of see my brother through the bottom right here, this little hole. So we was able to align it pretty well, the brake light. So it's like perfectly flush in the middle like it's supposed to be. And he's gonna feed me the wires right now, as you can see. Yeah, yep. That's one, that's the red.
Another red.
Okay. I'm gonna also paint this guy's black. That way, any water or whatever ain't gonna get in there because we don't want it to rust. So, all right. So just know I am gonna paint this black. I could put some sealer too. I have some ATV sealer. Yeah, my brother said I can use that. I can just put that there. That way no water gets in there and it starts rusting and all that shit. I don't want all that. Yeah. I'll probably do that. All right. Is all the way to the top?
Keep going. Not flip away.
Okay. I mean, that's...
Keep pulling as much as you can. Whatever red wire you have... Okay, right there.
That's it? That's it?
Whatever red... You need to pull one of the red wires. You got too much slack. Nope. Wrong one. Other red one.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. There you go. Now wait, stop.
Oh.
Pull the black. Pull the black. Keep going.
It's tight. It's nothing.
All right, you're good.
Good?
Yep, you're good. Pull the red. Pull the black. Okay, stop right there.
Okay.
Pull the black if you can.
Pull the black. Yep, black is tight.
All right, hold on. Let me fix the black one.
Okay.
Try now. Pull it.
It's tight.
It's tight?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, you're good.
All right, guys, so let me go ahead. What I'm gonna do is wire it into the tail light. Yeah, I'm gonna piggyback off the tail lights. So let's push. I gotta move all this plastic shit out the way and put it back down properly the way it was. So once I get this out the way, I'll put the camera back on so I can show you guys which tail light to piggyback off of. Let's go. All right, guys, for this, I'm actually gonna use, instead of using that ATV sealer, this is actually from another project that I got planned to show you guys involving the tail lights that I never got to do last year, but we definitely knocking this shit out this year. But this is basically like the weather sealing strip. It's very tacky. It's like, it almost, if you know what Laffy Taffy is, that's exactly what this looks like, but like almost licorice color, black licorice color. And it's very tacky, and it's basically to seal like a lot of the sealings around like tail lights or just whatever you need sealed from the elements. So I was able to take a little piece from that project that I'm gonna be working on, and I'm hoping you guys can see it. I don't know if you can. Let me try to create some more light. Okay, that's kind of good. So yeah, I was able to kind of like tack it in there and push it in. You know what I mean? Again, I know a lot of you guys won't have this stuff. This is something you can, you know, get on Amazon or eBay or your local hardware store. And that same hole that I made, instead of just spraying it, I put some of this tack in there, and that's not coming out. And it also keeps the wires from, you know, not moving, and, you know, it kind of keeps it, you know, solid. It's not going anywhere. It's solid. So that's the dope part about having stuff like that around, you know, laying around or whatever. So let me go ahead and get the wires and everything set, and I'll come back and show you guys which wires, like I said, to bridge to. So let's go. All right, guys, so I was able to splice the cables together. Again, you want to go and you want the, let me see if I can get it, if I can show it on camera. You want the green wire with the yellow strip, the red wire with the blue strip, and obviously the black wire is going to be ground. Now, some of these third brake light kits usually come with 3. Some of them may come with 2. And at that point, I think your best bet is just connecting it only to the green and yellow wire, the green wire with the yellow strip, and then the black wire. So it's always going to come with a red, a black cable, because that's always going to be ground. But if it only comes with 2, the black wire and the red wire, connect the black wire because that's always going to be ground, and then try connecting it to just the yellow and green one first. If you only have 2 wire connectors from your third brake light. But if you have 3, these are the ones you want to use, okay? Green wire with yellow strip, red wire with blue strip, and black cord. All right, so let me do a little test. I'm gonna have my brother go in there and see if we can see if the light will turn on. So bro, when you get a chance, do that for me. New car. Just hit the brake. Oh shit. Did it again? Okay, something's happening, because this light not even turning on. Okay. Let's do. All right, guys. There we go. All right, and we got it blinking as well. Okay, so now I left the other clip in. As you guys saw, when my brother tapped the brake, this tail light didn't work, right? So now if you run into that same problem where you're putting a third brake light in and you've connected one of the red wires to, let's say, the green and yellow wire, and the other red wire to the blue and red, and you see that same thing happens because you're bridging it to one of the lights, whether it's the left light or right light, whatever, you're bridging it. You're just tapping into that light source, that brake light source. If you find out that it's not turning on and the one light that you connected it to is not turning on, flip those wires. The one that's connected to the green and yellow, put it to the blue and red, and so forth and so on, and vice versa. Flip those 2 and it's gonna work 100% of the time. So just like I say, if you find that issue where one light doesn't turn on, whatever light that you're turning on doesn't tap into that particular tail light, just flip the wires and you're ready and good to go. This is a very quick, simple, easy video. This probably shouldn't be no more than 6 minutes at the most. And that's it. So let me go ahead and close out the video, y'all. All right, guys. So yeah, again, that's a quick video. Please excuse the hair, sweat, the dirt. We were literally creating 2 videos today for you guys. And we did it, you know, thanks to my brother helping. You know, that was dope for him to come through and help. And a day after my birthday, no, mind you. So that's a dope thing that he did for me. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the content, enjoyed the video. We're going crazy for 2022. I'm gonna try to punch out as much content as I can. And let's go from there. All right. So again, guys, as always, stay humble, be positive, and stay driven. 1.